Hello, this is Tom Luque. My website's mastgate.com for items I make for sailboats. Today I want to show you how I've created some filament spool holders. And because I don't like the spool supply that comes with the Polaroid PlaySmart that's individual, I like to have my spool with the unit, so if I'm moving it around, I'm moving the whole system together, not independent things. And also it takes less of a footprint because I keep my unit in a little cabinet with a glass door. So what I want to be able to do is have this sitting here, so as the filament comes out, it just spools right up into the Bowden input. So I want to look to see about where I'd like to position it. And I use a marker to mark the top edge. And this is where I'll be mounting the spool holder. Now I have two holes. Now I can take and mark my two hole locations. Now another method for marking hole locations, if you can't do your marking this way, is to take a piece of tape and put the tape across the two holes so you can get your exact distance. Then you take your marker, mark the center hole location. And then if you're working in a cabinet or some other location, then you can just take and find out where you want to put it, put your tape down, and then just drill right in here and you have your exact location. Now the screws I'm going to be using for mounting are these lath screws that are size 8 by 9/16 inch long. And they turn out to be just the right size. So there's only this small amount of screw that'll go into here, and there's a hollow area in this location. So I take a drill bit, that this particular one is just under an 1/8 inch. So we just center that up. Next hole. This particular bit is one that drills and it has threads on it. So it's a drill and thread type. But I find it handy to use this little hand drill. Yeah, I don't know, what color should I have? Well, let's go for white. So I can just drop in my two screws since I know they're going to match up. Start with this one. Just get it started. Go to the other one. And just snug it down. That's snug down. There. Now I can take my filament and hang it on here. And then I can turn the unit on, go through feeding the filament, normal steps. Now I'm able to just take my whole unit and move it and have less space of a footprint and have this area that I can lay tools down. So thank you for watching how I installed a nice little spool holder to this. I also have other 3D printers, and I print this that sit on a cabinet. I put this on a cabinet, and I can also put this on my other printers mounted to the side. Thank you.